Today I'm going to show you how to upload a photo to Upwork. Having a professional profile picture is essential for building trust with potential clients and making a great first impression on the platform. First, open your web browser and navigate to upwork.com. Once the page loads, sign in to your account. This will take you to your Upwork dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your freelance profile. Now look towards the upper right corner of your screen where you'll find your profile icon. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select your profile. This action will direct you to your personal profile page where you can view and edit all your professional information. Once you're on your profile page, shift your attention to the left panel. Here you'll see your current profile picture or a placeholder if you haven't uploaded one yet. Right beside it, you'll notice an edit button. Go ahead and click on it to begin the process of updating your photo. After clicking the edit button, you'll see an option to change image. Click on this to open up your computer's file browser. This is where you'll select the photo you want to use for your Upwork profile, browse through your folders, and locate the image file you'd like to upload. Make sure you're choosing a professional-looking photo that represents you well, as this will be visible to all potential clients. Once you've found the right image, select it and click Open. Your chosen photo will now be uploaded to Upwork's system. Finally, click Save Photo to confirm your selection and apply the changes to your profile. The system will process your new image and update your profile picture across the platform. You should see your new photo appear within a few moments, and that's it. You've successfully uploaded a new photo to your Upwork profile, making it more personalized and professional for potential clients to see. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.